This is the instruction booklet that belongs to the first Concept 1 models of vacuum cleaners. I get to view it online to show you what this takes after. Yeah, let's see. It does feature the vacuum rules to follow. Yep. Let's see. Let's see here. Oh yeah. The first model Concept 1 by Hoover did feature a core rewind model since 1978. It's like a manual twin-speed vacuum cleaner. Yep, some can be, yep, and some can be like a core wrap, yep, and some can be like a core wrap model vacuum, which is the U3103. Let's see, core wrap model. Yeah. Yep. 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 Let's see. For the yep, for the let's see. For the let's see. For the ones with the rewind button to unwind core, pull from core wheel to desired length of the vacuum. Yep, that came out in 1978. Till they till the Hoover company did away with that, so they featured the core wrap models, which is can be used for some concept cleaners. This vacuum right here can take a Concept 1 vacuum bag, since it could substitute for a Concept 1. Yeah. Yeah. How? Let's see. How to use your Concept 1. How to use your Concept 1. Let's see. How to use your Concept 1 or PowerMax. The Concept 1 models does have the switch on the back of the vacuum, which does have 2 speeds, a low for a low pile company or hardwood floors, and high for high pile company or attachment use. Like on this vacuum, on this vacuum it's like the same thing. It can be used like an upright for attachment use, operating mode, and if you want to do like your and probably if you want to do your yeah. It can also lie flat. It can also lie flat for cleaning your under low furniture. Yep. Let's see. Actually, there was one Concept 1 on. Actually, there is one Concept 1 that is featured on Basia called the U3305, which is a new feature since probably last year probably. Some Concept 1 cleaners does have the manual cleaning tools. Some Concept 1 cleaners does have the manual cleaning tools back when the vacuums were made with by-hand attachments. That was way before they did away with those and they switched to their onboard attachment models. at the time. Yeah, let's see it. Well, to do attachment use, the concept ones does take a pan converter, connect. Let's see, connect converter to a hose connector. The concept one cleaners does need to the concept one it does take a pan converter, so it kind of attaches to the rotating brush. Yeah. Yep. Once the converter is attached, once the converter is attached to the vacuum, make sure to have a good seal of the vacuum. It does feature all its attachments like the water floor brush for irregular hard surface floors or walls. It does feature the furniture nozzle for upholstery, multi-purpose brush for like dusting surfaces such as tabletops, lampshades, and draperies, and upholstered furniture. Dusting brush for like carved tabletops, books, lamps, lighting fixtures, and blinds and baseboards. We have a long crevice tool for like radiators, dressers, drawers, spaces between kitchen appliances like the refrigerators. It also comes with the two extension ones for extra reach. Kind of like these ones right here built in. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, how to change the vacuum bag. Well, that's kind of easy since this one is a good example just like it. Yep. Actually, you can fit any vacuum bag you like on your Concept 1 or PowerMax, like Original, Free Breeze, or Arm & Hammer. Yep. Well, for changing the headlights, the vacuum does go flat for that. Let's see, you must take a Phillips screwdriver to take this out. Yep. It's best to gently. It's basically gently. It is best to gently remove the broken light bulbs and installing the newer ones. Yep, it tells you how. This booklet tells you how, and also this booklet tells you how to change the belt and dry belts, and also the and also the what do you call it? And also the like bearings. Yeah. For dirt dug and dirt tube cleaning, it does have a. Let's see, for dirt dug and dirt tube cleaning, actually the dirt tube. Actually, the dirt tube does come off for like getting out the stuff you don't really need in your vacuum, or else it might obstruct the cleaner. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Yes. The last page of the last page for the this booklet, it tells you what the problem is and how to solve it. Yep. both the machines do came out since North Canton, Ohio. Probably the concept ones were came first since 1978 up to good years through the 80s as well. Yep. Yeah. Some of them can take like a scent guard to actually some of these can take a scent guard to avoid vacuum smells. Yep. Well, if there's anything else to say about Hoover concept cleaners, please check out on the Hoover's website, and I'll see you for the my birthday video coming up this Saturday. Bye.